Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The idea of a 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome instantly conjures up images of unmatched luxury and custom craftsmanship in the context of mobile living. Designed as a land-based yacht, this fictitious automobile would go beyond the traditional definition of a recreational vehicle and represent the brand's steadfast dedication to quality and the preferences of its affluent customer base. In order to hint at the richness inside, the external design would probably avoid ostentation in favor of subtle beauty. Aerodynamic efficiency would be carefully considered while creating sleek, flowing lines that might be influenced by the present Rolls-Royce car lineup. Perhaps in a slightly altered, proportionately acceptable form, the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy would adorn the front. With the brand's renowned accuracy, the bodywork would be coated in a deep, glossy paint, possibly with custom coachlines to highlight its distinctive character. Essential motorhome features like flush-fitting windows and hidden service hatches could be subtly incorporated to preserve the vehicle's elegant appearance. Visiting the 2026 Rolls-Royce RV would be like visiting a luxuriously designed mobile paradise. The interior would be completely customized by Rolls-Royce's skilled artisans to suit each owner's tastes. Only the best materials would be used, including carefully crafted metal embellishments, rare veneers obtained sustainably, and hand-stitched leathers. The design would put an emphasis on comfort and space, maybe including a formal dining and living area, a fully functional kitchen that is subtly integrated, and a master suite. Large windows would let in an abundance of natural light, which would be enhanced by thoughtfully chosen ambient lighting to produce a calm ambience. The integration of technology would be smooth and intuitive, and every system would function with the distinctive finesse of Rolls-Royce. Navigation, entertainment, and car functions might all be accessed through discreetly positioned screens. Modern soundproofing and climate control would guarantee the most peaceful surroundings. A high-tech air suspension system designed to move imperceptibly across any terrain would provide the ride quality, which is a characteristic of Rolls-Royce. The 2026 Rolls-Royce RV would be much than just a vehicle. It would be a mobile home, a private sanctuary that could travel across continents in ultimate luxury and comfort. It would be a tribute to the craft of custom design, a singular combination of luxury living and top-notch automobiles, serving those who expect nothing less than the best in all facets of their lives.